If you need an earbud that is comfortable and fits in your ear, cancels noise around you, and it is resistant to dust and water, and they are also on a budget, then the Oraimo FreePods Pro is the one for you. Hey guys, it's Michael. What you get in the FreePods Pro premium packaging box is the case, the FreePods Pro, a paper that highlights ANC, USB-C cable, extra rubber tips for different ear size, user manual, and a silicone case, which is really rare among its peers at this price point. First of all, the case. This is what you see first out of the box, which I really love the feel, and you won't see any fingerprints on it, and the logo at the front won't easily wipe off. While for the buds, it fits in my ear for about 2.5 hours without me feeling any form of pain, which feels really comfortable, unlike the earbuds that I have reviewed that makes me uncomfortable after using it for about 20 minutes. I love the design of the FreePods Pro itself. It doesn't look generic. Like Whiskey said in one of his songs, I can't explain, and I truly can't explain how the FreePods Pro gives me joy while listening to music. For its price, the quality it produces is worth it. I mean, if you're in a room where people are talking, a bus, or in a gym, and you turn on ANC, you won't be able to listen to them anymore. On the Oraimo FreePods Pro, we have various modes, which are the normal mode, heavy bass mode, which is for people that want the party music in their ears, ANC, which means environmental noise cancellation. It uses the 4 mics to capture every word you speak clearly, even if you are in a party, because the AI on the FreePods Pro reduces a lot of environmental noise, which makes the person on the other end listening to the conversation you are having clearly. Game mode, which has low latency. Transparency mode allows you to listen to the person you are talking to without removing your FreePods Pro or turning down the volume to the lowest. And finally, ANC. The Pro Hybrid ANC is really good to the extent that I forgot the case inside a car and the driver had to call me on phone because if he shouts my name, I would not still be able to hear him. To turn on ANC on here, it is pretty simple. Just hold the left FreePods Pro for 2 beeps and you will be in another world. The drivers on the FreePods Pro are really quiet, unlike its competitor that I have tried, which when you switch to ANC, you will be able to hear the drivers. Controlling the FreePods Pro is pretty simple because I have to tap the upper part of the earbud, unlike what the competition has to offer, where I have to press the stems, and most times while I do that, I end up pinching myself. Controls on the FreePods Pro is universal. For connectivity, it comes with Bluetooth 5.2, and if you have an Android phone, your device will connect to the FreePods Pro immediately you open the case without removing the FreePods Pro. But if you connect it to a non-Android device, you have to go through the traditional route by going through the settings. It has an IP rating which is splash resistant, but since the day I got the FreePods Pro, I have been using it to bath and I haven't had any issues with it. Don't try this. Immediately after I got the buds, I used it for 3 straight days without charging while playing music for at least 4 hours. It takes more than the 2-hour mark to fully charge these buds and the case together, but if you really need to use the FreePods Pro, charging it for about 5 minutes can give you 40 minutes of playback time. While if you charge it for about 3 hours, it takes you more than 3 days, which all the powers go through the Type-C port, which has an indicator to know if it is charging or not at the front. When I first got the FreePods Pro, I said to myself it was pricey, but after using it, that was when I realized it was worth the money it was asking for, and the competition doesn't come close to it at this price range. The Oraimo FreePods Pro is an amazing pair of truly wireless earbuds, but the only thing it needs is an app, which will be better for most people to control the buds from their phone. Other than that, it is an amazing budget, truly wireless ANC earbud. If you are interested in picking it up, you can use the link in the description box below and check out the videos showing on your screen right now.